Today's video is about how to use less money to buy the same wireless earbuds. Really, less money but the same wireless earbuds. I am talking about these wireless earbuds. Bluetooth 5.0, almost the latest version. A very nice aluminum charging case, touch control wireless earbuds, rotation design, very convenient, and protect the wireless earbuds very well. The charging case can charge not only your wireless earbuds but also your mobile phone. The charging case is a mini power bank. The battery capacity is 1000 mAh. The selling price on Newegg is $52.99. These wireless earbuds are also available on eBay. The same product. Very nice charging case, aluminum charging case, Bluetooth version 5.0, stable connection, no compromise on sound quality. The sound quality of these wireless earbuds is really wonderful, very nice. The gift box. The selling price on eBay is $50.51. These wireless earbuds have 4 colors. Red color, silver color, dark gray color, black color, four colors. Definitely, at least one color you will like. This is the gift box. Gift box. 4 colors. Let's see what's inside. what's inside the gift box. Charging case and the wireless earbuds. Rotation. Inside, sponge, paper card, USB charging cable, extra 2 pairs of ear tips. In the English user manual, K-01 user manual. That's it. A great product. This is the amazing earbuds. Excellent sound quality. Touch control earbuds. You won't regret to buy these wireless earbuds. The sound is really very nice because they have a good the compartment inside, and the ergonomic design makes sure it is comfortable to wear. Internal speaker has good quality. Now comes the exciting moment. Let me show you how to use less money to buy these same wireless earbuds. This is our Shopify store. Because we do not spend money on advertisement, so we can offer the best price for our customers. The same product. Red color, silver color. Internal view. Best budget wireless earbuds for iPhone. Of course, you can also use these wireless earbuds for Android phones. The selling price on our Shopify store is $36.99. If you want to spend less money to buy these wonderful wireless earbuds, please go to our Shopify store. Our Shopify store link is goodsfromaeinchina.com. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button now and give us a like. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.